There are many mistakes that new and inexperienced traders typically make when starting out. But the top 4 mistakes I've seen the most over the years are unrealistic expectations, not managing your cash or risk, not developing a game plan or strategy, and probably the biggest mistake of them all, emotional trading. You can have the best trading strategy in the world, but if you let your emotions start affecting your trades, all your planning will go out the window. Most beginners will start by trading emotionally. Emotional or impulsive traders tend to buy from excitement after the price has already gone up an extreme percentage and sell from fear when the price falls to an uncomfortable level. This is a quick way to lose your money. Don't expect to make $1 million starting out. One of the worst things that could happen to lucky amateurs is to actually make a lot of money their first time trading and then assume that all such successes will come as easily. You have to figure out why you were successful and develop and refine your strategy to try and repeat the process. You will make mistakes, so make sure you manage your cash and risk and don't play with more than you're willing to lose. Before even placing a trade, make sure you develop a strategy and set a goal for that trade. Stick to your strategy and never let your emotions get the best of you. Trading takes a long time to master, just like playing the piano. Don't get discouraged if your trades are not working out the way you wish in the beginning. Over time, you will recognize certain patterns that work for you as you gain more and more experience. Remember to start with only the amount of money that you're willing to lose. Test out various strategies to see what works best for you. If a trade isn't working out, cut your losses and move on to the next trade. Don't fall in love with the trading position. So before we dive into some of the various trading strategies you could use to trade, let's review some basic technical analysis and go over how to read and understand candlestick charts. Let's get started.